Every second matters during a chemical spill. When hazardous substances contact the skin or eyes, immediate action is essential, which is where safety showers and eye face washes are essential. Yet the quality of the water used can be the difference between simple decontamination and a life-threatening escalation. Leading global safety standards are specific in their requirements. Only potable or drinking quality water is recommended for safety showers and eye face wash stations. Why is this standard so critical? The answer lies in the risks posed by contaminants in the water. Using fluids below potable standard undermines the very purpose of emergency safety equipment. Water classified in lower categories introduces escalating dangers. Cat 1 wholesome potable water is safe for direct contact with no risk of infection or secondary contamination. Cat 2 is defined as water that's only altered in appearance, such as temperature-modified mains water. This may not be a direct health threat, but can still cause irritation, especially to sensitive tissues. Cat 3 water contains low-toxicity substances, like cleaning chemicals, exposing the casualty to more chemical residue on top of their existing burns. This increases the risk of irritation, allergic reactions, or mild infection, making it unsuitable to use on sensitive skin, open wounds, or eye tissue. Cat 4 fluids are classified as being contaminated with toxic agents or industrial chemicals, such as pesticides and industrial cleaning agents. The potency of the chemicals in Cat 4 water may cause their own chemical burns on top of the casualty's existing injuries. This can compound the original injury, may cause toxicity, or severe infection. Finally, Cat 5 fluids are defined as fluids containing pathogens, untreated waste and sewage, or even radioactive materials. Not only would flushing a chemical burn with this water exacerbate the existing injury, but exposure to Cat 5 fluids can cause severe long-term illness, infection, and can be a direct threat to life. For this reason, ANSI standards state only potable water, classified as Cat 1, is acceptable. Not only must the water be clean, but it should also be tepid between 16 and 38 degrees Celsius to allow at least 15 minutes of safe flushing. Water that is too cold or too hot causes further harm, while inadequate quality or temperature compromises the effectiveness of the emergency response. These strict requirements aren't merely regulatory. They exist to protect workers from preventable injury, infection, and other secondary hazards. Non-compliance can lead to severe harm, legal consequences, and reputational loss. Don't risk the health and safety of your workforce. Always specify and maintain potable tepid water for every safety shower and eye wash unit on your site. To learn more about industry-leading protection and compliance for your unique hazards, visit the Hughes Safety Showers website at www.hughes-safety.com. Or watch more of our videos for more detailed guidance and information on safety showers and eye face washes, helping you keep your team safe and your site compliant.